Thanks for checking out the Jones Paint and Glass tips and techniques. We hope that these helpful hints will assist you in making your home a personal sanctuary. Today I'm going to show you how to properly install and adjust your rolling patio door screen. Come on over, I'll show you how. Before installing your patio door screen, use a Phillips screwdriver, adjust the tension screw, turn it counterclockwise until the tension on the top of the roller is completely released. I can take my finger and push the roller inside the frame and completely conceal it. Do that on all four corners. Place the screen door as close to the top of the patio door as possible. Now we'll put the rollers in place on the bottom of the door. Lift the screen door and push it as close to the patio door as possible. Then lift the screen door using a flat blade or a screwdriver. Compress the roller in and conceal it inside the door frame, the screen door frame. Push it inside so that it lines up with the track. Do that to both rollers. Then make sure that the roller is properly installed over the channel of the screen track. You need to square the screen door to the jamb. Close the screen door so that you can see the reveal from the bottom to the top. You'll notice that it needs to be adjusted and squared to the jamb. What I will do is adjust the roller in the corner so that it raises it, closing the gap at the top of the screen. I'm going to adjust the screw so it raises the screen door, putting the top of the screen door to the jamb. Once the screen door is square to the jamb, adjust the top rollers until there's tension so that the screen door will not lift, but not too tight so that there is some adjustment. I'll adjust the roller until there is very little movement on both sides. You may need to adjust the rollers several times until it works properly. Once you've done that, it should be in good shape.
When you hear the crash, you better think Jones Paint and Glass.